How to create and set up sub accounts with GoHighLevel. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. It is very simple and easy to do, so let's just go ahead and get to it. But actually, before that, if you want to follow along the video with a 30-day free trial and some bonuses, you can just scroll down to the description and open up a link, which is going to allow you to sign up completely for free. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. Okay, so from your agency dashboard, what you want to do is locate sub accounts tab here from the left panel, and you simply just want to go ahead and click on that. Now, from this page, what you want to do is just go ahead and click on create sub account from the top right corner. Now, from here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on select or blank snapshot and click on select and continue. But I mean, we can't even dismiss that, you have some other templates to choose from if you want to make things easier for yourself. But again, I'm just going to go for the blank snapshot. It's not really that difficult to set up anyway, so it's completely fine. So select whichever one that you want. I'm just going to go for this one. Now, basically, all you need to do is just select the location of your business. So you can just go ahead and search it up from here, or you can even click on add manually to make it, without the actual map. You can just add it manually in here if you want. And if you did actually click on that, it's just going to, take you to this step anyway, which you are going to do regardless, which is, first name, last name, email, business name, and so on, business phone, address, and so on. So obviously, if you did not add the address, you're just going to have to add it here. It's mandatory either way. And once you finish up every single thing in here, which is, you can see the red star, that means that it is required for you to fill. If it does not have that, then it's not required, okay? And you can just click on add sub account at the bottom after selecting whether this is a client's account or if it's your own. So this is obviously going to be very important. Also, the time zone is going to be very, very important for you to set up like the actual thing to your location or the sub account's location. Do not add a messy time zone, because it is basically every single function is going to depend on your appropriate time zone. So just take your time, fill everything in here, and click on add sub account. Okay, so once you actually create it, you can basically switch now between the sub account and the agency account by clicking on the top left here. And you should be able to find all the sub accounts that you have, and also this agency view if you want to. So in this case, tests is basically the one that I just created, and you can just go and select it. And obviously now you're just going to get a dedicated dashboard and basically everything else. So this is going to be, let's say, your own apartment now for this sub account. So if it's a separate business, everything is going to be basically separate from everything else for this sub account, including the settings. So if you just click on settings and go to business profile, you should be able to find a lot to adjust. For example, your general information, the business phone number. By the way, I just used some dummy data, so none of this is actually true. And you can just scroll down and start adding some more stuff here to this sub account, like the business information and so on. Also, to set it up further, what you would want to do is just switch to your agency view. From the agency view, you just want to click on sub accounts and select the account that we have just created. So sub accounts, and click on this one. And now you can even add more stuff here, like general information and like things like that. And also here at the end, you can add some social links and link up everything in here and click on save once you're done. So this is pretty much it for sub accounts. This is how easy it is actually to create a sub account and to set it up. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.